In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your customer list on your Facebook Ad Manager, because this is also one of the advanced targeting that I have used to get better results for myself. For example, if I have gotten a lot of lead in terms of name, phone number, or email, or maybe I'm into e-commerce and I have gotten a lot of orders in terms of order that people are placing on my website, and I already have their name, their phone number, and their email, there is a way you can combine all these details, upload it back to the ad manager. What Facebook is going to do is that it's going to use those details to go and find the people who look like them. When you create lookalike audience, what you are saying is, Facebook, these are people that have become my lead. These are people that have placed order on my website. These are people that have even purchased on my website. Because if I'm running adverts on seller, when somebody buy, they are giving me their phone number, they are giving me their email, they are giving me their name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble all this data and feed it back into Meta ad. Meta is going to go ahead and find people that look like those people, and they are going to start showing my advert to them. If you are wondering why this is powerful, let me tell you this. If people that have been placing order for your e-commerce product are people who are women between age of 25 to 35, and there are people who have been watching video around skincare, Facebook is going to know that this is the kind of audience that will buy your product when you upload those details back to him. So they are going to go ahead and find more people who are between the age of 25 to 35 to start showing your ad. They are going to find more people who watch more videos on skincare to show your ad. What you are simply telling Facebook is, Facebook, these are my customers. Go and find more thousands of people that look like these guys. Because when it comes to Facebook ad, there are billions of people on Facebook. And if you don't know, Facebook cannot easily find these people if you don't give them guidance in a way. Even though with zero targeting it can still work, but if you want to take your targeting a step higher, you have to feed in Facebook into this detail. Okay, so what we do now, by the way, you can't do this with personal ad accounts. You must have a business manager. What we do now is, I'm in example Excel file. I already have my Excel file, but I wouldn't show that for the sake of privacy in this video. So this is an example Excel file. You create an Excel file, the heading, please, this heading is important because there's a template that Facebook gave and you must follow that template. If not, your upload is not going to be successful. All right. So the first thing you do here, this is first name. By the way, I don't like to do first name, last name. I just put first name as the heading, and it's going to contain all the name that they have given to me. Do you understand? Then email, the word email has to be in small letter. Okay. Then phone number, the word phone has to be in small letter. This is just one detail, but even if I have 10,000 details now, I am going to just feed it like this. Okay, I just decided to use this one to show you an example. So this is exactly how you are going to structure it. First of all, make sure that FN is in small letter, which is first name, and the name you put under FN is going to contain the first name and the last name that they gave you. Do you understand? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to click on save as, because I want to name it something. So I can name this test customer list, just so that when we upload it on our ad manager, you can understand exactly what it is. So let me name it test customer lists. All right. And then for the save as type, I must save this as CSV, comma, demilited. Okay. So I'm clicking on save now. And yes, I'm going to type yes. So this file have been saved. Now let's go back into our ad manager, and like I said, you must have a business manager if you want to do this. So let me open my business manager right away. You see, a lot of people do not know that this is another advanced targeting method that can help you. It's more like you are giving Facebook an idea of who your customer are, because these are people that have bought from you in the past. So Facebook have no issue going to find people that look like them. And this is one strategic targeting strategy that you can use for yourself. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do here, next thing I'm going to do here is to click on, come to this place. You are going to find audiences. If you don't find audiences here, you come down to all tools, You come down to all tools right here and look for audiences anywhere around here. Okay, it is here because I use it often, but if you have not seen it, just look around, check it somewhere around here. You definitely gonna find it. As long as this is ad account, the audiences is gonna be there. So what we're gonna do now is to click on that audiences. Let me open the audiences right now. So when we open the audiences, you see that there is a structure. Facebook is going to ask us to upload that MSSZ that we've already created, and there is a way to upload it so that you don't make any mistakes. So I'm going to show you how to do that quickly once this finish loading. All right. Now you're going to click on create audience. Okay, I have created a lot more audiences here, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on create audience. Okay, create audience. Then create custom audience, not lookalike for now, custom audience. There you can see there is a lot of sources you can use here, but we are going with customer list, which is the list that we've already created. See, follow this from the beginning. Make sure you don't make mistake if you want this to work. So you're going to click on select customer list, not website for now, not Instagram, not Facebook, just customer list. And we'll click on next. Now, if you probably want to download the templates that Facebook give you so that you can see how you should restructure your MSSL, even though I've taught you that, you can just click on download file template, but that's not what we want to do, okay? What we want to do here is to click on next so that it takes us where we can upload those, our list that we have created. Okay, so let's go ahead. We can drag and drop it here. So let's click on drag and drop, and we'll go and find that file on our desktop. Remember that we've already saved it. So let me quickly go to quick access here so that I can find that file. Remember the name, test customer list. It must be with the same name that you've already saved. Okay, so it's uploading now. And what you can see here is this is the name of the list. So it's asking you, did your file include a column for customer value? Well, no. So there's no need to put it yes. Then audience label. Now, if this is already your customer, like they have already bought products from you, there is a label for you to name it customer. If this is already lead, you can just name it lead. But for now, let me go with customer. Okay. And this is the audience name. If you want, you can edit it if you want, and this is the description, but all of these things are really not important for me. Once I already have this name, I'll just go ahead and click on next. And there's something that I want you to look at here. Okay, if you upload your own and this green check is not showing on first name, this green check is not showing on email, this green check is not showing on phone number, it means that you did not edit it the same way I taught you. And if this green check is not showing on any, like sometimes if the name is not correctly formatted, you see red here. If the email is not correctly formatted, you see email, you see red here. But for now, you can see that everything is already mapped out. All we need to do now is to click on import and create. See, this does not matter whether you are using 500 list, whether you are using 10,000 list, whether you are using 50,000 lead, the process is still the same. Okay, so your customer list is hashed and uploaded. What we now need to do is to click on create lookalike, which is what we want. Really, we want Facebook to go and find thousands of people that look like those people that have bought from us. This is one secret that I've used for myself, and I promise you, if you can do this, you are going to start noticing fantastic results for yourself. Okay, let me quickly go ahead and click on this up to 10, and then I click create lookalike. That's it. These are the lookalike audience. So after some time, maybe after 24 hours, I can start using it to create an advert. Okay, let me refresh this. You are going to see this, that this lookalike audience has been created. This is the custom audiences first. Let me refresh the page. As you can see, that the lookalike audiences has been created. Is one of the strategy that I've been using to make some sales for myself. And I wouldn't want to show you results, but there is an advert I'm running now that have given me 100 conversion at a rate, at an amount that I have not gotten before. Why? Because I targeted the lookalike audience of my lead. I uploaded over 15,000 lead on my ad manager and I created lookalike. You see, that's why lead are important. I went to seller and I downloaded all the lead that I have gotten so far in the past 3 years, almost 15,000 of them. I uploaded them on my ad manager. I created lookalike, and Facebook is finding the people that look like them to buy my product. So if you have business manager, go ahead and do this for yourself, and you are going to enjoy it if you have more data. For example, if you have gotten 3,000, 5,000 orders or email lead, or you have gotten 10,000 orders, oh my God, you don't know the kind of value that you have. Go and create it right away, and you're going to start getting better results for yourself. This is a way to direct Facebook on who your customers are. Because right now, I know that you are using Pixel and all of that, but this customer list is more accurate because you're uploading actual customer data inside the meta ad. I hope you find this helpful, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.